Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the GIGASTONE 16GB DDR4 SODIMM laptop RAM kit. If you're looking to breathe new life into your aging laptop or simply want to boost its performance without breaking the bank, this might be just what you need. This kit comes with two 8GB sticks, totaling 16GB of DDR4 memory. It runs at 3200 MHz, but it's also compatible with systems that run at 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz. This makes it a versatile option for a wide range of laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one computers. The CL22 latency and 1.2V voltage are pretty standard for SODIMM RAM, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue. Installation is a breeze. Simply pop open the back of your laptop, locate the RAM slots, and carefully insert the new sticks. Make sure they click into place, and you're good to go. No complicated software or BIOS settings are usually required. The GIGASTONE RAM offers a noticeable performance boost, especially if you're upgrading from 4GB or 8GB of RAM. Multitasking becomes smoother, applications load faster, and even gaming performance can see a slight improvement. It's a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of your laptop and make it feel like new again. The GIGASTONE 16GB DDR4 SODIMM kit is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable RAM upgrade for their laptop. It's easy to install, compatible with a wide range of systems, and delivers a noticeable performance boost. If you're on a budget and need more memory, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.